Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Samsung SSD using Samsung Magician, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have Samsung Magician installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download Samsung Magician from the official Samsung website. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Samsung Magician. Connect your Samsung SSD to your computer if it's not already connected. On the main screen of Samsung Magician, you'll see a list of connected drives. Locate the Samsung SSD that you want to authorize. Select your SSD by clicking on it. Next, look for the Drive Details section on the left side of the interface. In this section, you will find various information about your SSD. To authorize your SSD, look for the Performance Optimization option. Click on Performance Optimization to open the settings. Here, you may see options related to the performance and management of your SSD. Find the Authorization tab within the Performance Optimization settings. Click on the Authorization tab to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your Samsung account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from this menu. Enter your account information and log in. Once logged in, the software will begin the authorization process for your SSD. This usually takes a few moments. After successful authorization, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. You can now take advantage of the performance features and optimizations available for your SSD. Familiarize yourself with additional settings and options in Samsung Magician for optimal performance. Finally, close Samsung Magician when you are finished with the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.